Sakubona. Today's words, they start with I. Angithi, let's read them. Isineke, isiphiwo, inhlanhla, inkani, isithunzi. So, like yesterday, angithi, we are describing someone to say, this person has patience. But because the words are starting with I, we're now saying, uMandla ulesineke. Remember with words, we're saying ulo, ulomhau, ulothando. Now we're saying ule. Let's continue. Uzibusiso ulesiphiwo. We're using the word isiphiwo, talent. He's talented. Uxolani ulenhlanhla. He's lucky. Unomagugu ulenkani. She's stubborn. It's hard to convince her to do something or change her mind. Lastly, uNkosikhona ulesithunzi. We're saying uNkosikhona is respectable. Angithi, he commands respect. Khuluma mfundi, qhubeka ukhuluma isiNdebele.